Today, we'll cut some pictures into pieces. As you can see, today we have traveled to a different country, to famous Marina Bay in Singapore. I think this place is great for laser shows, and I think they do already some there. So I have made this setup with 10 lasers, and as you can see by default, all the lasers are doing the same thing. I think this is the view you often see in some Facebook or YouTube videos from laser shows. Every laser is doing the same thing, it's just like copy-paste show. So what I can do to improve my effect, I can go inside display settings and I can check this split scene to lasers. And as you can see, my circle is split to all the lasers. I think this effect is a lot more interesting than the standard copy-paste effect for all the lasers. And basically I could stop my explanation here because that's all you can do. But let's check another kind of effect. I have two circles rotating, pretty nice, but still copy-paste for every laser output. I can go inside, just check split the scene, and as you can see, I think this effect is a lot more interesting. It's like all the lasers are working together to create one nice, beautiful show. And what I can do, I can of course adjust the size and position of the effect so it's better visible. I think a lot more interesting than copy-paste. I have used this feature a lot in my late shows and I think it's really powerful. And where it really helps is when you have some effects, some plane for example, which is moving around the lasers. So let's quickly create some plane or line. We can rotate it like this and let's make it moving in x-axis. Like this. And as you can see, all the lasers are drawing the same plane or same line. And let's try to split it. See? I think it's a lot more interesting effect than just copy-paste. Again, the lasers are doing like in cooperation. And switching. I think it will be even more interesting if we make it rotating. Yeah. Really nice, don't you think? And where this split scene effect really helps is when you create waves. So let's make some. So I have a line here and by standard we can make it waving. Yeah. See, all the lasers are doing the same wave. But how it would look if we split it? Yeah, a lot more interesting. We can even choose some color. Yeah, for example. Really nice. All the lasers in cooperation. And of course you can use this feature for logos or text. So let's create some text. Hello. I have the scrolling text here. You see all the lasers are doing the same text. We just click split. Of course we need to adjust the size. Make it slower a bit. See? And all the lasers are used to combine one text. Of course this is not practical because you would need about, I don't know, 100-meter high water screen, which is probably not so easy to do, but still, this is the way you can do projections. Just one warning here, you need to make sure that the lasers are precisely aligned in colors. And of course you can do it in Moncha by adjusting the color balance of the lasers and also color fades. If you don't know about these features, just read the manual or call me. Till now in my tutorials I have showed you only just to create effects, but today I have made a complete show for you and I'm using just the split scene feature, so check it out. We'll make the show available to download at our webpage, so you can check it. But what I wanted to show you that I'm using just 5 tracks of the show. So this split scene feature is really saving a lot of time when creating a new shows. So as you can see, you don't need anything special to split the pictures into multiple lasers. All you need is love, and this time it's love for Moncha. And if you love it enough, you can choose one of our devices and use it. So, till next time.